Welcome back to the Oasis Month in Review. And let's be real, crypto markets have been rough lately. Sentiment is down, speculation is running wild, and projects are dropping left and right. But here's the thing, the best builders don't stop when things get tough. They push forward. They focus on long-term impact, not just short-term hype. That's exactly why Oasis has been here for so long and why this past month has been one of our strongest yet. Because despite the market turbulence, we've sealed major partnerships, hosted huge events, strengthened our ecosystem, and doubled down on privacy and AI innovation. If you need a reminder of why Oasis is a serious project with real-world impact, this episode is it. So, let's dive in. We're starting off with community events and spaces. This month, our team was at the center of major conversations about AI, privacy, and Web3 adoption. From deep dives into AI governance to the next big thing in crypto, here's what went down. The Oasis AI Roundtable brought together top industry voices, moderated by Forbes' Tor Constantino, to explore how AI, blockchain, and decentralized systems are evolving. Marco, our head of AI, Yannick from Swarm Network, Johnny from Imperial, and Ron from Crypto Banter tackled AI's role in finance, governance, and privacy, debating whether tokenized real-world assets, or RWAs, could change the landscape of decentralized economies. They also raised concerns about AI governance, warning that without privacy protections and decentralized oversight, AI risks becoming just another centralized force in the industry. Sad. Agents Unplugged, Swarm Network's bi-weekly AI deep dive, explored how AI is reshaping research, search, and content verification. With guest agent XYZ, the conversation covered the shift from traditional search engines to AI-driven deep research, the impact of automation on knowledge workers, and the challenge of verifying AI-generated information. The discussion highlighted the risks of misinformation in AI-driven spaces and why blockchain-based verification systems could be crucial in maintaining trust. The DAI and Tokenized Value Spaces panel, hosted by Anthony Diaz from Go RWA project, explored how AI, tokenization, and blockchain-powered marketplaces are reshaping decentralized economies. Speakers emphasized that AI-enhanced financial markets can unlock new opportunities, but without proper governance and interoperability, the industry risks fragmentation and inefficiency. They basically discussed how privacy-preserving AI and decentralized models can create fairer, more efficient systems for value exchange. The AI Crypto What's the Next Big Thing panel, hosted by EA Network, focused on emerging innovations at the intersection of AI and blockchain. The conversation covered AI-driven smart contracts, the use of blockchain to verify AI model integrity, and the growing role of AI-powered trading bots in DeFi. The key takeaway? AI could bring efficiency and automation to crypto, but without privacy-preserving solutions, user security and transparency could be compromised. In the State of Web3 in 2025 Twitter space, Jason, our own Jason from Oasis, joined Adele from Offchain Global to discuss how Web3 adoption is evolving across different regions. They explored Offchain's 70-plus city chapter model and how real-world blockchain applications are driving mainstream adoption. A key focus was the role of privacy and AI in ensuring Web3 remains decentralized and inclusive rather than failing into the same centralized patterns as traditional tech. We kicked off our Asia University workshops in Indonesia, educating students, developers, and entrepreneurs on privacy-first blockchain applications. The workshops covered confidential smart contracts powered by TEEs, the role of private DeFi, and how multi-chain payments can be made secure with privacy tech. Speakers emphasized that education is the key to shaping the next generation of blockchain developers, ensuring privacy is at the core of Web3's evolution. Okay, next section is major partnerships and announcement. And this month we strengthened our commitment to privacy, security, and decentralized AI with a series of high-impact partnerships and funding initiatives. From expanding DeFi liquidity to powering privacy-first AI applications, here's what's making waves. Oasis Foundation is injecting over $10 million into DeFi on Sapphire, backing key protocols like MEETUPS, Nebi, Thorn, Accumulated Finance, and Bit Protocol. This liquidity boost is designed to lower market entry barriers for new projects, improve trading efficiency with lower slippage, and strengthen the use of native assets like ROSE, wrapped stake ROSE, BitUSD, and USDC. More than just funding, this initiative is laying the groundwork for a thriving, self-sustaining DeFi ecosystem on Oasis. Kernel Labs is teaming up with Oasis to introduce token authorities, TAs, on Sapphire, a powerful tool for privacy-first, fraud-resistant smart contracts. By integrating confidential execution and EVM compatibility, this partnership is making it easier than ever for developers to build trustless, secure applications without sacrificing usability. Along with IO.net, we are pushing the boundaries of AI privacy with confidential computing. By leveraging trusted execution environments, or as you may know them, TEs, this collaboration ensures that AI computations remain private while enabling verifiable, decentralized AI models. From TE-enabled GPUs to Ruffle, runtime off-chain logic, for those unaware, this partnership is a major step towards secure, transparent AI that integrates seamlessly with Web3. Web3 startups building AI-powered applications now have a privacy-first home thanks to our collaboration with Agent Launcher. This platform connects blockchain-based AI projects with investors and development resources, while Oasis provides confidential computing and scalable smart contracts to ensure these applications remain private, secure, and interoperable across chains. And the Oasis Foundation is supporting Zeph with a grant to advance fully private AI assistants. Unlike centralized AI models, that store and process user data on third-party servers, Zeph's assistants run in TEs, ensuring complete confidentiality. With local AI deployment and a security-first approach, this project is tackling one of AI's biggest challenges, and that is protecting user data from exploitation. We're also joining forces with ORT to bring privacy-preserving AI compute to decentralized infrastructure. This partnership ensures that AI models remain secure and verifiable, integrating privacy-first machine learning into decentralized AI workflows. By balancing confidentiality with efficiency, Oasis and ORT are making next-gen AI applications both scalable and trustless. Okay, next section is tech and ecosystem updates. So, the Oasis ecosystem continues to expand with major upgrades across DeFi, developer tools, and network infrastructure. From strengthening Sapphire's privacy-first DeFi to making confidential computing a mainstream conversation, here's what's new. The latest ecosystem call, hosted by Mote and Will, brought together top builders in the Sapphire DeFi ecosystem, including Nebi, Bit Protocol, and Midas. The discussion focused on how privacy in DeFi is evolving, how different protocols can integrate seamlessly, and why real-world asset tokenization is a major growth area for blockchain. As more projects adopt private, composable financial applications, Sapphire is proving that DeFi isn't just about decentralization, it's about security, usability, and privacy. The January 2025 Oasis Engineering Update introduced major improvements across the network, making Oasis more efficient, scalable, and, most important, developer-friendly. Upgrades include wallet and CLI enhancements, faster network speeds, and better developer tooling. The Rose wallet now integrates with Oasis Nexus, improving transaction tracking, while the Sapphire mainnet continues to see steady adoption. On the back end, engineers have optimized the network with hot loading for paratimes, refactored executables for better processing efficiency, and the new Oasis boot repository to simplify onboarding for developers. These updates lay the foundation for a wave of new privacy-first applications in 2025. Confidential computing is now featured on CoinMarketCap thanks to a new glossary entry authored by Marco, our head of AI. This is a huge step in raising awareness about how TEs enable privacy-preserving AI, DeFi, and enterprise applications. As one of the most visited crypto sites in the world, CoinMarketCap is bringing confidential computing into the mainstream, ensuring privacy-first technology is no longer just a niche discussion. Okay, next section is events and meetups. We are making a big impact at one of the most important blockchain events of the year is Denver 2025. As an official blog sponsor, we're bringing privacy-first tech, deep dive workshops, and hands-on demos to builders, developers, and Web3 enthusiasts. From February 27th to March 2nd, you'll find us at booth 512, connecting with the ecosystem and showcasing how privacy and confidential computing are shaping the future of blockchain. The Oasis lineup at ETH Denver is packed with must-attend sessions. On February 27, we're kicking things off with Confidential AI Ruffle at Ort's Hacker House, where Oasis experts will deep dive into AI confidential computing. Expect hands-on discussions on how the Ruffle framework enables verifiable, privacy-preserving AI applications, a game changer for Web3 AI solutions. On February 28th, the afternoon tea party that's Sorry Gorgeous brings together top builders and industry experts for interactive sessions on TEs. Co-hosted with our partners, this event will explore how TEs enhance blockchain security, enable confidential transactions, and power decentralized infrastructure. On March 1st, our Communicating on-Chain workshop at Hacker Secrets ETH Denver Hacker House will focus on privacy in decentralized messaging, on-chain communication, and secure interactions. As Web3 evolves, keeping messages and transactions confidential is becoming more important than ever, and this session will break down how Oasis is leading the way. ETH Denver is where blockchain's biggest innovations happen, and if you're serious about privacy, confidential computing, and AI-driven Web3 solutions, you won't want to miss it. If you're attending, come see us at booth 512. And the last section is team highlights. The Oasis team continues to push the boundaries of privacy, security, and blockchain innovation. This month, we saw thought leadership from our head of AI, a deep dive into one of our BD specialists, and a fascinating discussion on the future of private key management. So here's what's new. Marco, our head of AI, published an in-depth privacy opinion piece on crypto news, exploring how blockchain and traditional finance are converging and why privacy is critical to making it work. The article highlights how institutions like Deutsche Bank are integrating blockchain but still struggle with balancing transparency and discretion. Marco breaks down the rise of regulatory scrutiny, the growing importance of smart privacy models, and how technologies like confidential computing and ZKPs are enabling secure, verifiable transactions. His perspective? Privacy in blockchain isn't about hiding transactions, it's about giving users and institutions control over what they share, when, and with whom. This month, Meet the Team Spotlight featured Robert Brianza, BD specialist at Oasis, who shared his journey in Web3 and why privacy has always been a core focus for him. Robert's passion for privacy-first cryptocurrencies started with Monero, and today he works directly with developers and enterprises to integrate privacy-preserving solutions into their applications. As a physicist at heart, he's also fascinated by the intersection of quantum mechanics and blockchain security, especially how quantum computing might impact cryptographic security in Web3. In such a fast-moving industry, Robert emphasized the importance of constant learning and adaptation when working on cutting-edge privacy tech. And last but not least, we have a new episode for Privacy Now podcast, hosted by yours truly. So, episode 4 brought in James Osjan for a deep dive into liquefaction, a concept that redefines private key ownership and access in blockchain. Liquefaction enables programmable key access, meaning instead of a single owner model, users can temporarily rent or delegate private key permissions without compromising security. This has game-changing applications for dark DAOs, enabling fully private governance mechanisms, DeFi lending, allowing secure programmable access to collateralized assets, and shared wallets and team accounts by creating flexible and controlled multi-user access. This episode also tackles the security challenges of liquefaction with insights into how TEs could make this a reality without introducing new risks. Well, that's it for this month's Oasis update. As always, you'll find links to everything I discussed in this episode in the description for the video. As you've seen, while the markets might be slow, we're moving fast. Partnerships, DeFi expansions, AI innovations, we're not here for the hype, we're here to build, everyone. And speaking of engagement, we've got something fun coming up, a contest that you won't want to miss, but I'll come up with more details soon. Until next time, stay private, stay decentralized, and keep building.